We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel M Sport in the best colour, Estral Blue. It's the facelift model. It is the M Sport with M Sport bigger wheels and body styling kit. 160 M Sport. Absolutely lovely condition. Boot area's been well looked after. Got the BMW individual M Sport interior with the blue stitching. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sport seats to the front. It's got automatic headlights, full iDrive system, including satellite navigation, climate control, M Sport steering wheel. It's done 45,188 miles. Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, different driving styles, aux and USB there. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. Please give us a call on 07 503 751 005 if you require any further information. Thank you.